I get it. The holidays are coming and you guys are binge watching wig reviews. Don't worry, your girl got you covered. So today's video, I want to kind of go over my first wig pre-everything unit and figure out if it's a flop or if it's worth the hype. So let's take a look at the website to see the unit that I ordered. Okay, so let's go ahead and order a wig from Myfirstwig. So let me go find a unit. So let's look at their best sellers. I like this one right here. Let's go ahead and look at this one. So yeah, this one is cute. What y'all think? I think it looks a little bit similar to the wig I just reviewed, which is this one. You might think it's the same, but if you see it side by side, you may notice there is slight differences. You know, Myfirstwig have a lot of wigs that look real similar, but they're different. So this is about the price point. Let's see. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna order the 130% density, and okay, I'm gonna order the Indian 13x6. Let's click same as picture, and let's go with a 16-inch so we could go for a natural length. Let's go ahead and add this to cart, and let's see what we get. Oh yeah, don't forget to add a discount code. You gotta save our queens. Okay, so I got the wig. This is what it looks like. These are the highlight details. So far, so good. It's a pre-everything wig, so that means it's pre-cut, pre-plucked, and the knots are going to be bleached. Let me go ahead and try it on. Okay, so I wanted to try this on first to see if I needed to add any powder to the inside of the lace, and it's not looking like I need to. It's blending really nice with my skin, so I look like I could just go straight into the install. Okay, so straight out the box, so far so good. So I went ahead and I just kind of lightly trimmed the edges. You guys may have seen that I was struggling with getting it to push down in the front. If you ever have that issue, all you have to do is just kind of lightly trim the lace around the ears so that it sits more flush with your ears, and now you can see it's resting more comfortably on my head. So I was going to add some powder to the inside of the lace, but I don't think I need to. This looks like it's matching pretty nicely. Okay, so just want to give you a closer look at the pluck of this unit. It's pretty good. This is 130% density. I'm not gonna lie, I wish I would have ordered 180%. I just personally preferred 180%. I think it's worth extra coins, just in my opinion, unless you prefer a more natural density unit. I personally prefer my units to be more thicker, but you know, that's a personal preference. So let's go ahead and get this installed. Let's see what I want to do. So I'm going to lay this down using my moves, and I'm going to use this on the ear tabs just to keep the ear tabs down. I'm going to make sure I put it in front of my hairline. My hairline kind of comes down a little bit on the sides. We'll spray this other side. Okay, now that's in place. Spray mousse along the hairline. Just tie that down. Okay, so while we wait for that to dry, let's work on the part. They did give me a left side part. I am a right side part girl. Let me go ahead and change this. Okay, now it's time to hit these roots and make it. Oh, shoot. Wear your gloves, ladies and gentlemen. Just burnt myself. Now it's trying to hit those roots and really lay it down. Okay, let's take this elastic band off. Let's bring some of this hair down to create like some of those natural flyaways. Let's comb this out a little bit so it's not plastered to my face. Cut this. Let me add some of that powder foundation back to my forehead just lightly. I don't like to get any of the powder foundation on the lace per se. Hopefully that blends. My computer's not working, so I can't see right now, but let me see. Okay, dolls, so this is the final look. So let's go ahead and compare it to the wig on the website. So what do you guys think? I think it looks pretty good. I think it looks like one of those what you order is what you're going to get type of unit. And I do appreciate the fact that it has this 13x6 lace that allows that flexibility to change the part in space. So you guys saw that it originally came with a right side part, but I changed it to the left side part, but you could change it to the middle part. And it's also good to know that regardless of how you part it, the color highlights in the front will still eat. So dolls, as always, if you're interested in purchasing this unit, I'm gonna have everything linked in the description box down below. But before we get out of here, I'm gonna need y'all help naming this beauty. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. Dolls, if you're not already part of the Faithful fam, hit that subscribe button before you leave. And while you're at it, why don't you check out these videos? You might enjoy them as well. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.